Hi, this is Erin from SGIA, and here's another Tuesday Tech Tip.
Hi, this is Johnny Shell with SGIA, and I'm here with today's Tech Tip. And what I want to talk about is how to measure temperature in your conveyor oven to achieve proper cure of a screen printed ink. Most screen printed inks will cure at around 320 Fahrenheit, and so we need ways to measure to ensure that the ink is properly cured before we ship it off to the customer. One of the most popular ways to measure temperature is what's called temperature tape. And these come in a range of temperature indicators on here. This particular set is from 290F to 330F, which falls within the range for plastisol ink. I peel one of these off and place it next to the printed shirt when I place it on the dryer. And then at the other end, the tape will turn black and stop at the point of highest temperature that was reached. So that's a good thing. The bad part about this is it just tells you what temperature was reached. It doesn't tell you for how long the garment was at that temperature. So they are limited in that respect, and it's a good spot check, but it's not the be-all, end-all, fail-safe test to measure cure. The other tool that most people use is what's called a temperature gun. This is an infrared thermometer essentially, and I hold this at the end of my dryer directly above the shirt as it exits, and there's an infrared beam that comes on and bounces back to the sensor and the temperature gun and tells what temperature the shirt is at that moment. Again, it doesn't tell you how long it was at that temperature, only what the temperature is as it exits the dryer.